Hello 2T1. Now for today's lesson, you'll be doing AGM5 Motion 3. You are required to edit the animation AGM5_student. Open the animation. You should see the following. You should see a water backdrop. You should see a sails sprite. Right? You need to save the file as aquarium_your name. And you need to add angelfish as a new sprite. Refer to the aquarium video for the expected behavior of the two sprites. But before we begin, you may want to go to AGM5_practice, okay, to look at what happens when I press the green flag every time. How do I make the sailboat move from left to right? By adding some scripts. Once you have done the AGM5_student, you may try out this. Let's open AGM5_student. The first thing we need to do is to save the work. File, save as. Go to your folder that says work to submit. Right, I'm going to save as aquarium_my name. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is we'll need to add angelfish as a new sprite. So go back to the Scratch file. So to upload sprite from library is this icon. So upload from file will be this icon. So go to the student files. Alright, upload the angelfish. So it should appear at this position. Next. The instruction says set the costume center of sail such that it is at the correct position. When the green flag is clicked, the sail is rotating continuously at the underwater windmill. So this sail, it needs to be at this position, and this position happens to be -107, -76. So when green flag is clicked, we want it to go to this position. So again, when your cursor is here, you can see the position, -108, -74. So we'll put in -108, -74. Now, when I click on my green flag, you notice that the windmill moves slightly. Alright, what you need to do is, at the costume, you need to click on this set costume center to position the center such that it's at the center of the sail as well. So you need to adjust this such that the costume center is at the center of rotation as well. So go back to the script. When green flag is clicked, it's at the correct position. Next, we will need to add in a forever loop. So what's going to happen is we want the sails to be turning continuously. So we'll add in under motion, turn 15 degrees, and we'll put in under control, wait, say 0.2 seconds. So now when I click on green flag, my sail is moving continuously. Next, we'll do the script for the angelfish. We want the angelfish to be moving continuously in the stage and bouncing off the edges. Let's look again at the instructions. Angelfish is moving continuously in the stage and bouncing off the edges. So go back to the file. To do the scripts for the angelfish, we need to click on the angelfish. Click on when green flag is clicked. First of all, we want the angelfish to appear at this position. So when I move my cursor here is -35, -10. So I'm going to put in go to -35, -10. After which, I want the angelfish to be swimming continuously and bouncing off the edges. So let's say we want the angelfish to swim at an angle of 35 degrees. So under point direction, all right, we'll select 35 degrees. We want the angelfish to be swimming continuously, so we'll use a forever loop. Okay, and under motion, move 10 steps. Now, when I do this, okay, see that my angelfish swims away, swims off. If I click on green flag, it appears here and swims off again. You want the angelfish such that when it touches the edge, it bounces. And, okay, so what we need to do is, we need to put in this script that says if on edge, it will bounce. Okay, next, I do not want my angelfish to rotate, but I want it to flip. So now when I click on green flag, right now you get the desired behavior of the fish. Right, so the angelfish, at the start, you start from this position, point direction 35. All right, and it moves 10 steps. If on edge, it bounces. Because the angelfish does not have costume, we do not need to adjust such that it has costume and so on. Okay, with that, you have completed AGM5. So what I want you to do is to go to AGM5_practice. Right, go to AGM5_practice. Okay, open up this file. Okay, let's save this work first. Go to File, Open. Go to AGM5_practice, and the next thing I want to do is I want to make the boat sail from left to right. So what is the loop that you're going to put in and so on to make the sailboat swim from left to right? Right, that's all for today's video.